Welcome. In today's video, we're going to learn how to report someone on Roblox using your Android device. If you've encountered inappropriate behavior or content, it's important to know how to take action. Let's go through the updated steps together. First, launch the Roblox app on your Android device. Once you're in, look for the three dots located at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on them. This will open up a menu with various options. Next, tap on the Friends tab. Here, you'll see a list of all your friends on Roblox. If you're searching for a specific user to report, you can scroll through the list or use the search bar to find them quickly. Once you've found the user you want to report, tap on their profile to open it. This will show you their details and activities. Now look for the three-dot menu, usually located in the top right corner of their profile. Tap on that menu and you'll see several options appear. Select Report from the menu. Follow the prompts to complete the reporting process, providing as much detail as you can about the issue. And that's it. You've successfully reported someone on Roblox. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and stay safe while gaming.